Hi friends, I am Sebati. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I have brought some English sentence for you. I hope you will like those sentence. If those sentence will be helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So, let's start the video without delay. ତୁମର ବୟସ କେତେ? How old are you? ତୁମର ଅଫିସ୍ କେଉଁଠାରେ? Where is your office? ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୁଅ. Get ready for school. ମୁଁ ମୋ ପଟୁ ସର୍ବୋତ୍ତମ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି. I will try my level best. ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ସାଥିରେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କି? Are you coming along? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସାକ୍ଷାତ କରି ବହୁତ ଖୁସି. I am very pleased to meet you. ତୁମେ ମୋର ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ. You are my responsibility. ଏହା ନ୍ୟାୟଯୁକ୍ତ ନୁହେଁ. This is not fair. ଆଜି ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing today? ଦୟାକରି କିଛି କୁହ. Please say something. ମୁଁ ପୁଣି ଆସିବି. I will come again. ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ନେବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି? What would you like to have? ଆମକୁ ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କରିଥିବାରୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. Thank you for inviting us. ପରାମର୍ଶ ପାଇଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. Thank you for the advice. ଜନ୍ମଦିନର ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ. Happy birthday. ଦିନର ଅନେକ ଶୁଭ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟାବର୍ତ୍ତନ. Many happy returns of the day. ଦୟାକରି ବସନ୍ତୁ. Please stay seated. ଆପଣ କେବେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବେ? When will you reach? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦିନ କିପରି କଟିଲା? How was your day? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଛ? What do you want? ମୋତେ ତୁମ୍ଭର ଠିକଣା କୁହ. Tell me your address. ନା, ମୁଁ ଚାହେଁ ନାହିଁ. No, I do not want. ଏହା ଅଜବ ଅଟେ. It is strange. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକେଇବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଦୁଃଖିତ. I am sorry to interrupt you. ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବ ନା ମୁଁ ଯିବି? Will you go there or shall I? Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet on another video.